September 26th. Morning guys, it's September 26, 2024. This one here I gotta go to my old dentist. He's got a couple of problems. He's got a problem with the garbage disposal going down slow. And also a leak on one of his sinks. Bathroom sinks is leaking. So he called me and I'm gonna go over there and see if I can help him out. One time of year it's starting to cool off a little bit, and I'm getting calls for burner service now, and you know, gas fireplaces and stuff like that that aren't working and that type of stuff. It's switching over now. Next week I got to change out a oil-fired low-boy furnace with an AC unit on it. It's going to be Monday. Gotta do that job, so it's gonna be a couple of day job, day and a half job, something like that. Next week, make some do-re-mi. Anyway, I'll try to get you some shots over there if I can. He's usually pretty he's usually around watching me work and whatnot. It's just kind of how it is. I gotta get my tools. Yeah, the area is definitely dirty. See how it's like all choked?
But it wouldn't stop.
Well, it might be full of shit and it was just loaded. Let's take it out and to see. If not, we'll clean that first and then. Can I go out this way or no? No. Go through the house. Let me get my tools. You like it here better or Florida?
Depends the time of year. I don't like the snow.
You don't like the snow? And it's nice down there in the winter, huh? Yeah. Summer, not so much. Let's see if I can get this thing off of here. I know it's problematic. It's a gold one. Oh yeah, she's all choked. I'm gonna have to put a regular chrome one on there. I mean, at this stage of the game, I don't think you're too worried about it, are you?
No. What will make it leak, though?
Well, I mean, it's not leaking now. It could just be loaded with shit because it's. Let's put this in first and see how it works. Hey, you know what I've been using for my teeth? It's really been helping with the plaque. A inositol. It's like a sugar substitute. You ever hear of it? It's supposed to. It kills the bacteria that forms plaque on your teeth.
Yeah.
It binds it. So I've been doing is I've been brushing, you know, with the tooth, and I sprinkle the stuff on the toothpaste, and it's been working.
Yeah.
Like I got less plaque. You can look it up on Google, and it's that's what it's known to do. They put it in a lot of toothpastes and mouthwash and all that shit. Inositol, xylitol is what it's called, xylitol. And it's been working for me because I go every 3 months for a cleaning, you know, because I get a lot of buildup, and it's definitely been helping me with the buildup. I don't have as much. Yeah, that's a lot better. See it? You know what it could be that you're getting a little wimpy there with your hands. You can't turn this thing, shut it off enough. You still got strength?
Yeah, I tightened it enough. I said I want to break something. Both of those things open.
Your girlfriend's sucking all the life out of you.
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh,
What is it?
both of those shut-offs open.
I don't see it dripping. I mean,
So I think I only shut off one side.
see that again?
I think I only shut off one side.
I turned both sides on.
Oh yeah.
This thing is just, you know, see how it's all corroded and shit, and
Yeah.
I put a new one in there. I think that's good. Unless you want me to sell you the space shuttle.
No.
You sure?
I don't need that today.
Fucking space shuttle. Come in with my tablet, you'll be in trouble. Yeah, fucking new guys. All they want to do is sell your stuff. You need the extra money for your girlfriend. Never mind to spend it on faucets.
I know.
Alright, I think that's good. I mean, I don't see anything wrong with it. I mean, why?
What's that thing there?
Huh?
Is that a snake?
I don't see it dripping.
No, is that a snake down there?
Huh?
Is that a snake?
What about it?
Is it?
What about the snake?
I don't know. I didn't know I had one there.
That's a toilet auger.
Oh.
That's for a toilet. You see it?
Yeah, okay.
That's for the toilet. That's a toilet auger. See how it's got the bend in it?
Yep.
You stick it in there and then you crank it and it goes down around the trap. It's a cheap one, but that's what that's for. You'll put a load of shit in the toilet and you can't flush it. That's perfect for that. You stick it, pull it out, put it in there, and then crank it all the way down, and it chops up that big load of shit you put in there, and then it could flush. Alright, so we're good, right?
Yep.